Hello everyone, I'm back with one of most famous red sauce penne pasta. It's one of my requested recipe from yours and thank you very much for requesting me to post this recipe. So without wasting, let's get started. There are different kinds of pastas as you all know, spaghetti and tube and flattened like. I'm selecting tube one which I like much. This penne pasta absorbs juice from in and outside both the sides, so it gives a good taste. For making pasta, I took here penne pasta around 3 cups and 5 to 6 roughly chopped garlic, red chili flakes, whole red chili, tomatoes, 5 to 6 tomatoes, and cheese. My cheese was combination of cheddar and processed cheese. If want, you can add mozzarella as well and parmesan cheese also. Cheese is much necessary for Italian version. Firstly, we'll start with tomatoes. We'll give nice cut to tomatoes and we'll just blanch the tomatoes just for 5 to 10 minutes. To this I'm adding 5-6 whole red chilies. After that I added tomatoes as well. After 5 minutes, you can notice that the tomatoes were blanched well. Now we'll remove these tomatoes and red chilies as well. We'll place these tomatoes in a cool water. It's very easy tip to remove the skin. Of course, you can add ready-made tomato puree also instead of this all. Take off the red chilies. In the same water, adding penne pasta for boiling along with some salt and some oil. Some little salt. Let the pasta boil. In the meanwhile, we'll remove the skin of tomatoes and we'll make this as a smooth paste and we'll keep this aside for next use. Chop the tomatoes roughly. Put it in a blender and make it as a paste. And don't forget to add red chilies along with the tomatoes. And make it as a smooth paste. Our pasta is almost ready. It's boiled. It's correct boiling for a good bite. So now we'll discard this and keep some water, starch water. Actually we need starch for good creamy texture. Keep some starch water aside and this was it. Next, take a saucepan, adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. To this I'll add roughly chopped garlic, saute it well. Next I'll add roughly chopped onions and some capsicum. Vegetables list depends upon your wish. You can add olives, you can add red capsicum, any kind of bell peppers you can add. After that I'll add 1 spoon of red chili flakes and some, for color I'm adding Kashmiri red chili powder. The Kashmiri red chili powder is less in spice and high in color. After that adding tomato puree which I made, some salt. And after 5 minutes adding 1 small cup of starch water. Starch water is necessary for good creamy texture pasta. And 1 spoon of tomato ketchup, half spoon of pepper powder and 1 spoon of oregano powder. Bring it to a boil. Then add 1 and 2 spoons of fresh cream. Mix it well. It is beautiful. Now add boiled pasta and this is the exact time for adjusting the salt and pepper powder. If you want you can add cheese as well at this time, but I not recommend. Mix it well and cook it at least for 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 to 7 minutes, check it once and it is almost done. As per my expectations, So now I'll serve this in a plate. I'm grating some cheese on top of this pasta, and every bite of this penne pasta is filled with juicy and it's very yummy. So don't waste time, try it, and don't forget to drop your comments. So keep watching for more videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.